Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add columns in Wix. Let's get started. So right now, I'm on the Wix dashboard. So just click on Edit Site right here in order to edit your site. So this in turn will open the Wix website editor. So once it has been opened, we should be able to add our column really fast. So just listen to this tutorial. So let's just wait for this right here to finish loading. So right now it has been open. So what we can do is we can click on this plus right here, or we can also click on this add section. So for this one, we first need to add section. So for this, you can use however section that you want to use. Then use a welcome section or all of that. But for this one, I'll just use a block section. So I will just drop this right here. So just click on block section. As you can see, it has been added right here. So when you click on that specific section, you can actually resize it however you want it to be, just like this. So just drag this arrow right here and you should be able to edit that specific section. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to see in here layouts and all of that. So what you can do is you can actually head over and click on shape dividers. And then from here, you should be able to see shape dividers wherein you can actually edit your shape divider right here. So for example, we choose right here, ellipse. We can see that it will actually customize it. As you can see, there's a ellipse right here. So you can actually do that. But for the sake of adding a section, you can actually just do something. So let's just add a strip. Let's do so by clicking on this add elements right here. And then from indirect into this strip right here, let's select classic and then select this one right here. So let's just add this right here. And then as you can see, it has been added. So the next thing you can do is you can actually head over and just choose this layout right here. So in here, we can see this now, the add column. So let's try to use this add column right here. And then as you can see, a column has been created for this. So click on manage columns and you should be able to choose this add another column right here. And then once you've done that, you can see that there's 3 columns right now. If you click on this right here, there will be 4 columns that you can choose from. So you can also choose or pick an action for these columns. So you can actually put this to left or right or anything like that. So from in there, then click on these things right here and you should be able to edit it however you want it to be. So if you click on my hat, you can see this column for bar fonts. It can be equal, 2020 by 40 and all of this right here. Or you can also just customize it depending on what you want to put this into. So it totally depends on what you want to add it to it. And now you can just utilize this add elements right here in order to add text, images, or buttons that you want to add in the newly created column that you have created. So once you're done everything with that, we can just head over and publish the site. So make sure to edit yours first. I don't bother to edit mine because it's just a tutorial, but make sure to edit yours. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add column in your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it's helped me reach more people. See you soon!